Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you something about market geometry and how to determine the turning points of the market using simple geometric methods. So let's start the rock and roll. So I already prepared some lines over here just to save your time, and right now I'll show you how easily you can find the turning points of the market. So first thing we've got here, we just find the place where the market make top and bottom from. We start from here, yeah? So we put the line over here just to catch closed value of the market. Here we go. And now we have to determine the length of this part of the trend. So we do it in this way. I already made this is roughly here somewhere. Okay, so we've got at the principle, we start from here, and now we are looking for the place when the market squares time and price. So let's try it. So first we are here and we are looking for a place where the market turns. It should turn over here. It just came back right here. So it didn't work. Next. Here the market didn't go down that far. So again, as a period, you see the market determined top over here, but the price didn't move from here to here that length. So again, the market didn't square price and time in this area. Let's go further. Here we go. So again, the market went down, and again, it didn't square yet the price and the time. So let's go further. From here to here, we caught the bottom as a time factor, but the difference, the price movement, wasn't exactly as in this move. So let's go further. Let's catch this line and try it here. Let's have a look here. So from the area here was more or less bottom of the market, and as you can see, on the market price and time squared. So that's the reason, let me move this line, that's the reason why market turned over here and made a correction. Let's go further. Over here, the market didn't square price and time. As a time factor, you see, as a time factor, this period was alright, but the price stopped earlier. So let's start from this line. Let's mark it here. Whereas here is something like top. Alright, as you can see, from this point, market went up. And let's move it further. Over here, market squared time and price. Oh, come on, babe. We delete this one. Look at here. You can see the market went up. The value we determined, I remind you, earlier. Yeah, we determined over here. Or no, it was here. So the market went this value, the same value went up in the time exactly as here. So the time and price squared means were equal to this value. That's the reason why market turned here. Let's have a look now what the market did further. From here went down, and as an issue of time, did it go or not? No, it didn't. So more or less, but it's not exactly. So we shouldn't. Oh, we should say again here market squared price and time. Let me delete this one. Going further down, so here we got another point where the market turned. Look here. The market determined more or less with it's H4. So the market again from this point to this didn't go up that far. It just stopped at the half. Let's go further. Over here, what the market did. It went nearly that value, but it went a little bit further. So it doesn't work. That's how you can easily determine, look at this value. It repeats all the time. We got the repetition of this very small cycle. Look, here's the same distance. If you look somewhere else, you will find probably those similarities. Here it doesn't work. Here it doesn't work. It's already a different story. Okay, let's try this one though. So we got the value of the market. I determined it earlier. And again, the market went down, that value. And during that time, more or less. Let's have a look. It's, where is it? Maybe I put the line over here. It's somewhere here. Okay, so let's make a proper line. So we got the price, we got the time. Let's go further. Would it work? From here to here again. From here the market went up, or from here, and squared with the time. Price and time squared. We got the correction. Let's have a look further. From here to here, again, we've got something like that, but you see market went a little bit further. And from here to here, the value was not that length. It was shorter move. So let's have a look here. What happened here? Here, roughly, we didn't square it yet. So it might happen somewhere over here. If the market goes up here and turns back, it means or starts ranging. It will mean that the price and time squared again. So guys, this is a simple example how it works and how you should use it in your trading. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a like, or write in the comment. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.